It's Derekh Chamblee, and the sun is setting near the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. It's Wednesday night now, August 24th, 2016. Intersection of 54th Avenue South and 31st Street. Entry to 275, the escape route in the event of a coming hurricane. But tonight, it's a beautiful, beautiful night, a beautiful sunset. Derekh Chamblee, CyberCitizen Network. Oh, the Sunshine Skyway Show. And earlier today, Donald Trump at a rally in Tampa. Donald Trump path to victory, Tampa, St. Petersburg. Battleground Zero, the epicenter of the 2016 presidential election. And 24 years ago, well, anyway, in 1992, do the math, 24 years ago today, Hurricane Andrew ripped through South Florida. Oh my. And Google Citizen Alert, Florida, the state of emergency. How are we going to be prepared if a hurricane ever comes through the Sunshine Skyway in the Tampa Bay region? That's what we wanted to ask these presidential candidates. What are they going to do for Florida? What are they going to do for Florida in the aftermath of another hurricane when the insurance companies creep away? What are they going to do for Florida? For transportation? What are they going to do for the environment? Florida's different. What are they going to do about the violations of civil rights? The rigged elections of Jeb Bush and George W. Bush and the hijinks of the Bush family. Oh my. And remember, Google, vote no Marco, vote no Rubio. August 30th, 2016, in his U.S. Senate race to be re-elected. Re-elected, really? Google MARCOBUSH, one word, RUBOT, R-U-B-O-T. He's not his own man. It was the Bush family that made Marco Rubio. He never did the job the first 6 years in the Senate. Vote no Marco, no Rubio. And this is Derekh Chamblee looking at a beautiful sunset near the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. And just a beautiful, beautiful night in St. Petersburg, Florida. Signing off.